At AOJ Global Concept Limited, precision meets power. Our cutting machines slice through concrete walls with surgical accuracy, making way for seamless pipe installations and critical service lines. Our logging machines secure cable logs with unmatched strength, ensuring the safe and stable transmission of power wherever it's needed. When structural elements demand adaptation, our coring machines drill with purpose, creating precise openings in beams and columns without compromise. Need speed and efficiency. Our wall chaser machines cut twice as fast, with dual blades for cleaner, sharper finishes in half the time. Every tool, every task, every time. Our engineering excellence is powered by performance you can trust. AOJ Global Concept Limited, precision in action. Engineering that delivers.